Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this episode, we will be learning how you can block someone in AFK Arena. To block someone on AFK Arena, first of all, make sure to open up the AFK Arena game on your device. And once you're in the home section, go ahead and tap on the little arrow right under Quest on the top right. You will then be able to open up several menus from where you need to tap on Friends. Inside the Friends tab, select one of the friends from your friend list that you want to block and tap on their name. Now their profile detail will open up. Go to the top right corner and tap the three dots, and in the pop-up you will see the block option. Tap on block in order to block the contact. Click on confirm in the pop-up so that you want to confirm your action. Right after you do that, you will be able to block the player and they will no longer be able to interact with you in the game. That is how you can easily block someone on AFK Arena from your friend list. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Crazy Gamer for more tutorials like this. I will be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.